What if I told you the air you're breathing right now could be hiding a deadly secret? Picture this: a seemingly perfect day outside, the sun warming your skin, but beneath that calm facade, a storm of chaos is brewing. The very atmosphere we take for granted may conceal warning signs that, if ignored, could lead to catastrophic consequences. You might think understanding atmospheric dynamics is just for scientists, but here's the urgent truth: these dynamics influence our lives in ways you may not realize. While we often gaze at the stars, a miscalculation in the atmosphere of a distant exoplanet could spell disaster right here on Earth. Imagine you're enjoying a day in the park, blissfully unaware that a hidden storm is forming miles away. This mirrors the potential fallout if I misjudges atmospheric signals on exoplanets. It's not merely an error, it's a ticking time bomb. Now envision being on a distant world that looks beautiful from afar. Suddenly the skies darken and toxic gases swirl in. If we miscalculate these atmospheric dynamics, entire ecosystems could collapse, and the weight of that realization is staggering. Consider this: you're an astronaut on a surface mission. Your eye assistant has analyzed the atmosphere, but it missed a critical warning sign. Conditions shift without notice. It's not just your life at risk, it's the future of human exploration hanging in the balance. The pressure is mounting, and the stakes called to be higher. So, why should this matter to you? The technology we develop to explore these distant worlds could one day be vital for our survival on Earth. If we overlook the subtle signs of atmospheric shifts, we risk repeating past mistakes with dire consequences. Think about the butterfly effect: small miscalculations can lead to massive disasters, or climate shifts right here at home. Are you starting to grasp how interconnected our fates are with those distant worlds? Awareness is our first line of defense. As we reach for the cosmos, we must demand accuracy from our technology. We need to question, investigate, and never accept data at face value. Take a moment to reflect. The next time you step outside, consider the air around you. That unseen atmosphere is a fragile balance of life and danger. Are we truly prepared to confront the unknown? Understanding these dynamics isn't just a scientific endeavor, it's a responsibility we all share. What if I told you that our methods for predicting the atmospheres of distant planets could revolutionize our understanding of life beyond Earth? It sounds incredible, right? Yet, there's a hidden risk lurking in those calculations. Imagine a future where we confidently announce the discovery of a potentially habitable exoplanet. The excitement is palpable. But what if we missed something crucial? What if our eye-driven understanding of its atmosphere is fundamentally flawed? This isn't just a skeefy plot twist. The risks of miscalculating atmospheric dynamics on exoplanets could lead us into a cosmic trap. So how did we get here? The truth is, we rely heavily on data models. I analyzes light spectra from these distant worlds, simulating atmospheres that might support life. But what if those models are based on outdated assumptions? It's like standing on a distant cliff, convinced you see a lush valley, only to realize it's just a mirage. As we push technological boundaries, we often overlook inherent uncertainties. Algorithms can misinterpret gas signatures, leading to serious consequences. What if that vibrant atmosphere is actually toxic? Let's consider a real scenario. Imagine scientists excitedly announcing a new exoplanet with seemingly perfect conditions for life. But when we send out probes, hypothetically, of course they discover an atmosphere completely different from what we expected. The tension mounts as we realize we may have acted too soon, investing resources into what turns out to be a dead end. You might be wondering, what can we do about this? The answer lies in refining our models, incorporating a broader range of variables, and, crucially, adopting a cautious approach. We need to question our eye's assumptions, challenge its predictions, and ensure we're not blindly trusting a machine. As we gaze at the stars, let's remember the weight of our choices. The thrill of discovery comes with the responsibility to scrutinize every detail. What if our next big leap into the cosmos is hindered by overlooked risks? The universe may hold answers, but are we prepared to ask the right questions? As we venture into the unknown, let's proceed carefully, ensuring we truly understand what lies ahead. If you found this thought-provoking, consider subscribing for more explorations into the mysteries of our universe. Who knows what we might uncover next? What if I told you that our understanding of alien worlds might be completely off? The technology we've developed to explore space could actually be leading us astray. Imagine a distant exoplanet that appears perfect for life. But beneath that appealing surface, chaos reigns, miscalculated by advanced eye. Many of us trust these systems, but what if they are missing critical details about the atmosphere? Now, picture this future: we send a rover to that exoplanet, only to discover the atmosphere is nothing like we expected. The eye misjudged key factors, creating a dangerous illusion of habitability. Can you feel the tension building? Let's dive deeper. Atmospheric dynamics are complex and nuanced, influenced by countless variables: temperature, pressure, and unpredictable winds. Yet, I, which relies solely on data, might overlook the chaotic nature of these alien environments. Think about a weather forecast that fails to predict a hurricane. You prepare for a sunny day and suddenly you're caught in a storm. The same applies to these alien atmospheres. A small oversight can mean the difference between life and disaster. This is just a theoretical concern. Imagine scientists excitedly planning a mission, investing resources to explore a supposedly viable exoplanet. But when they arrive, they are faced with toxic gases swirling in the atmosphere they didn't account for. Now the stakes are high. Lives could be at risk. What if we land on a planet that seems to have a breathable atmosphere, only to find ourselves surrounded by harmful chemicals threatening